Alright, so I just got my Boxy Charm. I'm about to get ready to actually shoot a clothing haul that features this lovely top right here. And yes, I turned my hair purple. I got a bunch of different colors from Hair Paint Wax. I've got gold, purple, and red. So I've been playing in them. If you're interested in how I apply it, let me know down in the comments. But what I'm doing right now is getting ready to record a video. So I'm going to put on some light makeup just so I can be popping in my video. Alright, so I've got all of my concealer blended. Now I'm going to try out my Pretty Vulgar Setting Powder that was in the Boxy Luxe. It came with this little cute powder puff, but I'm actually not going to use it. My favorite thing to use lately has been this, I think it's like a precision foundation brush. It has like the teardrop kind of look. I'm going to put it, I feel like it goes around the curves of my eye so well. So I just put a little bit of setting powder everywhere I put that concealer. And I make sure I get in the crevices of that nose. And this Boxy Luxe was actually pretty amazing. I'm really excited about that Elemis anti-wrinkle cream. It's like $90. Who has time for a $90 face cream? Actually, I do. But I'm just really excited about it. It's such a bargain. If you are on the fence about getting Boxy Luxe, definitely recommend it. So now I'm going to, I think, do my eyes with the Violet Voss Pro. This is the exciting part. And then after I do that, I'm going to go ahead and finish the rest of my makeup off camera. I'm just going to do my eyes and eyebrows because I don't want this to be all day, because essentially I am getting ready for another video, so I don't want it. So I'm going to scoot myself a little closer to you guys. Hey, I feel like I got some new lighting going in my makeup beauty room, so I feel like I look great in this new lighting. I've got some umbrella thing. So I am going to get back on topic. So I'm going to start with my hashtag, not holy girl, not hashtag, I can't get it out. I'm going to start with my Holy Grail palette, and I keep saying hashtag because I'm thinking I'm going to start with this hashtag color. It's like a brown orange color. So I think I'm going to start with that right under the brows. And I'm going to keep this look kind of simple and kind of neutralish, just because I have a lot of different clothes to bring you in this clothing haul with a wide variety of colors. So I don't want anything too crazy, especially since I already have purple hair. Alright, so I just started kind of basing my brow area with that. Now I think I'm going to go in with a little bit of brownie points at the bottom. It's this brown here, like right above the crease, because I have really small eyes. And so because I have really small eye space, I have hooded eyes, I like to start, I use like all of my space just to maximize my eyeshadow looks. And so then in the actual piece, I'm going to do Teddy Bear, which is a little bit darker. And I like to use a nice variety of colors just to give my eyelids some depth and open them up a little bit, make them look amazing. But yeah, since I have really small eyelid space, I like to start off above the crease, just to kind of make them look a little bit bigger. So that's the base of my lid. It's very neutral. It's not really a lot of color, which is actually exactly how I want it. And now I think I'm going to go in with a little bit of glamping, maybe a little on fleek, and maybe cranberry splash. My favorite thing to do lately is to mix a bunch of different like shades on the lid. Which one am I going to start with? I think I'm going to start with Cranberry Splash on the outer. I'm going to do Cranberry Splash on the outer, Glamping on the center, and then On Fleek in the corner. And this Violet Voss is so easy to work with. Like, it's such an easy palette to blend. I have one of her other palettes. I have the Like a Boss palette, and I find myself reaching for it all the time. It's really easy to blend, and it looks freaking amazing on. It's like really buttery and soft. And I'm just like, oh man, now I need all her palettes. But I'm trying to get my life together because I have a lot, and I do mean like a lot of makeup. But it's just addicting. So that was the Cranberry Splash. Now I'm going to go into the Glamping. And if you watched any of my latest makeup videos, then you know that I haven't been into like cut creases lately. I've been doing kind of a simple-ish look. Because I just find sometimes you just want to be simple. Alright. And now I'm going to go into On Fleek in the corner. Oh, I should have used How You Doing right above it. That's so pretty, but I have already settled on the colors I'm using, so I'm going to stick to them. Oh, that is so pretty. And so all of these shades are in like literally the same color family. It's a very warm eye. Love a warm eye. So now I'm going to take this brush right here. It's like kind of a tapered brush. It's the BH Cosmetics number 8. If you're interested in the number. So I'm going to take this brush and kind of blend the edges to soften them so that they blend into the rest of the eye look. This step is critical to give your eye a really blended look. Is to, after you put it all on, take a brush. I like a more densely packed brush, kind of like this one, to go ahead and blend all the colors together so that it looks really seamless. And then I think I'm going to do a little bit of under eye eyeshadow. So I'm going to use this like flat fluffy brush. It's the number 103 by BH Cosmetics. And I'm going to put a little bit of Teddy Bear, which is the darkest brown, underneath. And voila. When I do my underlid, you'll have to ignore the crazy faces that I make. I can't help myself. I think I will take a little bit of Cool Beans. It's like a really soft pink right there. And I think I will put that towards the inner corner, because I think it's such a pretty color. Alright, so the eyes are done. So the last thing I'm going to do is the brows. Then I'm going to finish everything, come back to you with the finished look, and then I'm going to start recording my video. So lately for the brows, I'm wanting to keep it really simple. I have a lot of dip brow pomades. I have a couple of powders, the gel, all of that good stuff. But lately I have been passing on all of those for mascara. Yes. You heard me right, mascara. So lately I've been using mascara in my brows. So if you watched some of my older videos, which I will make sure is linked in the description box, I cut off my eyebrows not that long ago. And so they've grown back. Hallelujah. I prayed about it. But so after I cut my eyebrows off, I'm like really obsessed with keeping my brows like really, really natural, really soft. So you can see all my hairs that are there. I know it's a really weird obsession, but it's my latest one. So all I do, and this is why I shaped the bottom, when I put on my base concealer is I just comb my eyebrows with this mascara wand. And the mascara, it acts just like a regular eyebrow product. It darkens it and brushes it. And so I just comb it. And I feel like it gives me the perfect brow, like every time, especially when I want a natural looking brow. And voila, my eyebrows are done, my eyes are done. So I'm going to finish the rest of my face, and then I'll come back to you guys with the finished look. And then, yeah, that'll be it for this video. And then I'll jump to the next video where you'll actually see the look in action. Alright, so I'm back with the finished look. So I went ahead and used some bronzer. I actually used the Park Avenue palette by Tarte. I got this in my first Boxy Luxe, which was the first. I was lucky enough to get it the very first time it was available. I typically use the last 4 colors. I don't use these 2 colors right here. But yes, it does show up on brown skin. I also used my Sahara Blush Palette Volume 1 to do my blush today, which is a really great palette. And then the last thing I used was my Kylie Lightning Bolt highlight. It gives you a really nice all over glow. And then for the lips, I just added the Tarte gloss that I got. My shade is Insta Famous. So this is the finished look. Hopefully you like it. It's a really soft, natural, pretty look. I didn't want to do too much since like I said, I'm about to do a clothing haul. And then on top of that, I also have the purple hair going on. So I just didn't want to do too much. I want to keep it kind of simple, soft, and pretty. So if you guys like the look, I hope that you go ahead and give me a thumbs up. I also hope that you subscribe to my channel so you can keep up with me and keep up with all of my new videos and all my new looks. And yeah, hopefully you all have an amazing day and enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching.